So our group decided to focus on case study 1, which is about a student named Kyle. Our group chose this case study in particular because the gifted aspect that Kyle brought to it really stood out to us. Our content selection that we chose for our lesson is around social studies and the arts and incorporating an art piece to it. When doing research, we came across various suggestions on how to handle gifted students. So one of these suggestions included accelerating the curriculum, allowing the students to move ahead at their own pace. This can be done with various things, including some computer programs like MobyMax, StudyLadder, Freckle, and other various websites. Another suggestion that we saw was grouping gifted students together, allowing them to work together on similar paced curriculum. Regardless of if it's a gifted student, a special ed student, or regular gen ed student, all curriculum should be engaging, standard-based, data-driven, and research-based. So when looking at differentiating the instruction for the students, you will need to also analyze and think of 3 things, meaning the what, how, and why for the changes that you are making. So how you're going to change it, what you're going to change, or why you're looking at changing it. So we put together our lesson, and I'm going to do the introduction of the lesson on how we would do a lesson for a gifted student. So we would start by saying, good morning, boys and girls. Today we are going to be talking about maps. So can anyone share with me what you know about maps? And here's where we would pause for about like a 3-minute discussion. Some of the answers that they may give would be how a map has a key on it that tells you what different symbols may mean. It may have like the title or the heading of the map, the compass where it has the north, east, south, west, different things like that on the map that they would hopefully be bringing up or you would be prompting towards. So this is the opening hook into the lesson. That would be getting that engagement starting, just talking about what they know about maps and what they see on it. So we would then direct it into the lesson of maps can show us other things as well, such as the capital, major cities, national parks, major mountains and rivers or landmarks. So, and these would be the key vocabulary that we would be reviewing as well throughout the lesson. So at this point then, I would go ahead and we would hand out a map of Wisconsin, and with the map, the students will discuss what they know also about this map, and handing out that map will be then leading into the next portion of the lesson, into the class activity.